Hello viewers across the globe. Welcome to InfoDem Online Computer Training Lessons Lesson 2. If you are watching me for the first time, I will encourage you to like this video, share this video and subscribe to InfoDem because this is a complete package of computer training. You don't have to go to anybody, you don't have to pay any huge amount of money to learn computer. We can do it together right here, and I bet you will know how to operate computer. That is why it is important that you look for the lesson 1 of this video, where we talk about computer appreciation, the definition of computer, the components of computer, the soft and hardware and the rest of them. So that is the starting point, and now this is the second lesson which we are going to be introducing you to. Microsoft Office. What is Microsoft Office? Microsoft Office is a suite of software applications designed by Microsoft for various purposes, such as personal, academic, and professional purposes. As you can see, if you look at here, these are Microsoft Office application. Then you can use them for your personal use, you can use them for academic purpose, you can also use them for professional purpose. So Microsoft Office includes a range of programs. It's a conglomeration of programs, which are: the number one program is Microsoft Word, which is going to be our next lesson. Microsoft Word, it is used for word processing and document creation. You want to type, you want to process Word, Microsoft Word is what you will use. Then the next one is Microsoft Excel. It is used for spreadsheet creation and data analysis. This is where you analyze data. This is where you do calculation. This is what they use in bank and the rest of them. So it is also important. So we'll be taking them one after the other. Then the third one is the Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is used for presentation and design. For example, the lecture that I'm giving right now, I do it on Microsoft PowerPoint as a presentation. So you can use it for presentation. You can also use it to design. Then the next one is the Microsoft Outlook. It is used to manage email and calendar. You want to manage your email, you want to manage your calendar, you use Microsoft Outlook. Then the next one is Microsoft Access. This one, it is used for database management. This is where you use to manage data of a company, of any organization. Microsoft Access is what you use. Then the last but not the least is Microsoft Publisher. Microsoft Publisher, it is used for desktop publishing and design. So these are the applications that are contained in Microsoft Office. So right now, I want to show you Microsoft Word, everything that you need to know about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a popular word processing software developed by Microsoft. It is used for these following purposes. Number one, it is used for creation and editing of documents. Then number two, it is used for writing and editing. Number three, it is used for research paper. Then number four, it is used for business reports. Then lastly, Microsoft Word is used for personal project. So right now, let me give you the viewpoint, the view of Microsoft Word. As you can see, this is Microsoft Word. This is the interface of Microsoft Word. If you can see here, what you have here, from here to here, it is what we call the quick access toolbar. For example, if you want to, you go, this is quick access toolbar. This is where you have your do, the undo, and the rest of them. You want to print, this is where you have them. Then number two, you have the title bar. If you are typing or you are working on any project or document, when you save it with name, the name will appear here. That is why it is called the title bar. The title of that work that you are doing will appear here. That is why it is called the status bar. If you can see here, it's called the tabs, which is the search bar. If you want to search anything, this is where you come. This is where you search it. Then here you can see number 4 here. This is what they will call ribbon. Then here is where we call the collapse the ribbon. You can collapse the ribbon here. Then here is ribbon display option. If you click here, it's going to show you the display option for ribbon. Then here you see group. They are called group. Then you see the number 4 here, dialog box launcher. This is where it is. Then here is the margin. The usefulness of the margin, where you see margin here, where it ends here, where the margin ends here. That is where your letter will start when you want to start typing. Then here is the ruler. As you can see, this is the ruler here. This is the ruler here. Then you have the document. The center is where, when you are typing, your document will appear. So this is the document window. This is where it will appear. This is the scroll bar. When you move this one up, you move it down. This is where you scroll your document up and down. They call this one, it is called vertical scroll bar. Then this is horizontal scroll bar here, as you can see. Then we have the status bar here. Then we have the view button here. Then we have the zoom slide, where you can zoom your document if you are not seeing it, where you can zoom it to 100% or more here, or you can also reduce it. So that is all about the basic information about Microsoft Word that you need to know before we delve into the practical aspect of Microsoft. So in our subsequent video, in the next video, we are going to practicalize Microsoft, and we'll be taking all the function one after the other, so that we'll be able to learn everything about Microsoft Word. We'll start practical in our next video. So that is why it is important that you subscribe to InfoDem, like this video, share this video, and stay on this channel. So I want to encourage you, invite somebody, let somebody know about this, that they can actually learn computer even at the comfort of their home. So till I see you in my next video, I want you to know that Jesus is the only way.